Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to create a Christmas manipulation edit. First, using the PicsArt app. Select cutout and use the portrait cutout. Make sure you cover the entire foreground image with the help of the brush. And smooth out the edges with the eraser. Save the cutout. Now back to the home page, select a Christmas-themed pre-downloaded image for the background. Go to Sticker and select the cutout you just created. Adjust it to the image. Then select Add Photo and add in an image of Santa. Cut out this image using the portrait cutout. Save the cutout and adjust it to the image. After placement, erase the excess. Next, go to Sticker and search Christmas Cap. Select the image shown and place it onto the image. Go to Sticker again and search Gift. Select the one as shown and place it onto the image. Also, erase the excess. Now go to Effects and select Badlands under Magic. Fade it out sufficiently and click Done. Again, go to Effects and select HDR under Effects. Fade it out and click Done. Moving on, go to Tools and select Curves. Adjust it as per your preference and click Done. Save the image. For the next steps, we will be using the Lightroom app. Select Light and adjust the stats as per your liking. Similarly, select Color and adjust the stats as per your preference. Then select Effects and adjust Vignette. Save the image. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.